Chapter number 4, linear equations in two variables. Exercise 4.2. Question number 1 is, which one of the following options is true and why? Y equal to 3x plus 5 has a unique solution. Only two solutions are infinitely many solutions. You know that a linear equation in two variables has infinitely many solutions because we can find infinitely many pairs of values of the variables involved in the equation which will satisfy the equation. Here also y equal to 3x plus 5 is a linear equation in two variables. So this linear equation will have infinitely many solutions. So third option is correct. Y equal to 3x plus 5 will have infinitely many solutions. So question number 1 answer is y equal to 3x plus 5 has infinitely many solutions. For example, y equal to 3x plus 5 is the linear equation in two variables. If you take x equal to 0, then y will be equal to 5, and this 0, 5 is a solution of this linear equation y equal to 3x plus 5. If you take x equal to 1, then y equal to 8 and 1, 8 is another solution of the same linear equation. If you take x equal to minus 1, y will be equal to 2 and minus 1, 2 is a solution of this linear equation y equal to 3x plus 5. Like this, you can find infinitely many values of x and y in pair which will satisfy this linear equation y equal to 3x plus 5. So this way the linear equation in two variables y equal to 3x plus 5 will have infinitely many solutions, and therefore third option is true. Question number 2. Write 4 solutions of each of the following equations. We are given 3 equations and we have to find 4 solutions of each of the following 3 given linear equations. First part is 2x plus y equal to 7. This is a linear equation in two variables and we have to write 4 solutions of this linear equation. So first of all, we write this linear equation as y equal to 7 minus 2x. X is independent variable and y is dependent variable because value of y depends on value of x. Now let us take x is equal to 0, then value of y is equal to 7 minus 2 into 0. So 7 minus 2 into 0 is equal to 7. So x is equal to 0 and y equal to 0 satisfies y equal to 7 satisfies this linear equation 2x plus y equal to 7. So 0, 7 is a solution of this linear equation. Now let us take x equal to 1, then value of y is equal to 7 minus 2 into 1 is equal to 5. So when x is taken 1, value of y is to be 5, so that the ordered pair 1, 5 will satisfy this linear equation 2x plus y equal to 7. Now let's take x is equal to minus 1. Then y equal to 7 minus 2 into minus 1, which is equal to 7 plus 2 equal to 9. So minus 1 comma 9 is another solution of this given linear equation 2x plus y equal to 7. Similarly, if you take x equal to 2, then y is equal to 7 minus 2 into 2 is equal to 7 minus 4 is equal to 3. So 2 comma 3 is another solution of linear equation 2x plus y equal to 7. So these are the four solutions of this given linear equations in two variables. So 4 of infinitely many solutions of the given equation 2x plus y equal to 7 are 0 comma 7, 1 comma 5, minus 1 comma 9 and 2 comma 3. These are the four required solutions of this given linear equation 2x plus y equal to 7. Now second part. Given linear equation is pi x plus y is equal to 9. So let us write this linear equation as y equal to 9 minus pi x and put the values of x one by one and find the corresponding values of y. We shall find four solutions of this given linear equation. So let us put x equal to 0 first. Then y is equal to 9 minus pi into 0 is equal to 9. So 0 comma 9 is a solution of this linear equation pi x plus y equal to 9. Then you take x equal to 1. So y equal to 9 minus pi into 1 is equal to 9 minus pi. So 1 comma 9 minus pi is another solution of this given linear equation. If you take x equal to minus 1, then y is equal to 9 minus pi into minus 1 is equal to 9 plus pi. So minus 1 comma 9 plus pi is another solution of this linear equation. If you take x equal to 2, then y is equal to 9 minus pi into 2 is equal to 9 plus 2 pi and solution 2 comma 9 plus 2 pi. So 4 solutions of infinitely many solutions of equation pi x plus y equal to 9 are. 0,9, 1,9 minus pi, minus 1,9 plus pi, 2,9, this is 9 minus 2 pi, minus 2 pi. So these are the required 4 solutions of given linear equations. Now third part. Given linear equation in two variables is x equal to 4y. This linear equation you can write y equal to x by 4, or let it be like this only, x equal to 4y, and put here value of y 0, then what will be value of x? 4 into 0 is equal to 0. So 0, 0 is a solution of this linear equation. Then you put y equal to 1. Then value of x will be 4 into 1, 4. So x equal to 4, y equal to 1 is another solution of this equation. If you put y equal to minus 1, then x is equal to 4 into minus 1 minus 4. So x equal to minus 4, y equal to minus 1, that is minus 4, minus 1 is a solution of this equation. If you put y equal to 2, then x is equal to 4 into 2, that is 8. So what will be solution? 8, 2 will be a solution of this linear equation x equal to 4y. So hence the 4 solutions of equation x equal to 4y are 0, 0, one solution, 4, 1 another solution, minus 4, minus 1 another solution, and 8, 2 is another solution. So this way 4 solutions of this given linear equations we have written like this. Question number 3. Check which of the following pairs of values of x and y are solutions of the linear equation x minus 2y equal to 4 and which are not. In this question we are given 5 pairs of values of x and y, and we have to check which of the 5 pairs of values of x and y are solutions of the linear equation x minus 2y equal to 4 and which are not. So in first part 0, 2 is given pair of values of x and y. We have to check whether this pair of values of x and y is a solution of linear equation 2x minus y equal to 4 or not. So to check, we have to put x equal to 0 and y equal to 2 in the linear equation. If both sides are satisfied, then this given pair 0, 2 will be a solution, otherwise not. So left hand side of equation is x minus 2y. So let us put x equal to 0 and y equal to 2 in this x minus 2y. So 0 minus 2 into 2, which is equal to minus 4, and right side of the given linear equation is 4. So therefore you can say that left hand side is not equal to right hand side, because left hand side after evaluating we have got -4 and right hand side is given equal to 4. So left hand side is not equal to right hand side for this pair of values of x and y 0, 2. That means this given pair of values of x and y 0, 2 is not satisfying the given linear equation x minus 2y equal to 4. So this pair is not a solution of the given linear equation. So therefore 0, 2 is not a solution of the equation x minus 2y is equal to 4. Now second part. In second part we are given 2, 0. Value of x we are given 2, value of y we are given 0, and we have to check whether this pair of values of x and y is a solution or not. So in the same way let us evaluate left hand side x minus 2y for 2, 0. So x equal to 2 and y equal to 0 we are putting in left hand side of the equation, and we have got 2, but right hand side is given 4. So therefore left hand side is not equal to right hand side. That is, equation is not satisfied for this given pair of values of x and y 2, 0. Therefore 2, 0 is not a solution of the equation x minus 2y is equal to 4. Now third part. In third part, given pair of values of x and y is 4, 0. So left hand side let us evaluate x minus 2y for x equal to 4, y equal to 0. So 4 minus 2, 0 is 4 minus 0 is equal to 4, and right hand side is also given 4. So here in this case left hand side is equal to right hand side. Therefore we can say that 4, 0 is a solution of the equation x minus 2y is equal to 4. Similarly, fourth part. In this part we are given under root 2, 4 under root 2. So left hand side x minus 2y is equal to value of x, let us write under root 2, and value of y 4 root 2 in the expression left, which is left hand side of the equation x minus 2y. So under root 2 minus 2 into 4 under root 2 equal to under root 2 minus 8 under root 2, which is equal to minus 7 under root 2, and right hand side is given 4. So in this case also left hand side is not equal to right hand side. So therefore given pair of values of x and y under root 2, 4 under root 2 is not a solution of the equation x minus 2y is equal to 4. Question number 4. Find the value of k if x equal to 2, y equal to 1 is a solution of the equation 2x plus 3y is equal to k. X equal to 2, y equal to 1 is a solution of the equation 2x plus 3y is equal to k. So when x equal to 2, y equal to 1 is a solution of this given linear equation, therefore this x equal to 2, y equal to 1 will satisfy the linear equation. So therefore we have 2x plus 3y is equal to k. So put the values of x and y as 2 and 1 in this linear equation. So 2 into 2 plus 3 into 1 is equal to k. So 4 plus 3 is equal to k. This implies k is equal to 7. This value of k equal to 7 we have got when x equal to 1, y equal to x equal to 2, y equal to 1 is a solution of the linear equation 2x plus 3y is equal to k, and this is the required value of k.